Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Margarete Miller Challenge, and this is week 8. And for this we need person or people, and I've got these. We need a business card. I've got that. Anything related to the sea. I've got this charm, and this is also a bonus. Got a vegetable plant, and I've got these carrots. A map, and I got these 3 little maps. And I did want to show you that I love how everybody's been adding numbers. So I went back through and added numbers for each week. And it just sets it off, I think. This one's for a different one. Right. So I've got my background paper down. Okay, this time I'm going to try something different for me. I've seen other people do it, so I thought I would give it a shot with this eclectic bit of stuff. And I'm going to tell a story. Now, this little boy and girl, they were best friends, and they just got along. They loved the same things, and they especially loved the book Anne of Green Gables, especially when Gilbert Blythe called Anne carrots. So I'm going to add this to my page. We'll add them to the top. Let's see this piece. This is just tissue paper, and we're going to represent them. Let's see. We want it to look nice. Let me get the art glitter glue for this, since it's a little more sturdy. My hands are sticky. Well, I guess I need to lay down my tissue paper. Now, they were the best of friends, and they grew up. And they stayed close with letters. Now, I'm going to go ahead and lay down, put down my prompt. But he liked to travel. He loved adventure, and so did she. But she was much younger and a woman of that time. But he traveled the world. Let's see, like that. And went to all these amazing places. He traveled by sea. But he always remembered her. And he would send her many postcards and letters. She would write back to him. And that way they knew each other, even being so far apart, they still grew and their love grew. They became more than friends through these letters. And when he came home, he started his own business. Called, fittingly enough, Crafty Cleaners. And he did very well with his business because he was very good at his job. And they ended up getting married. And they were very happy together. And they lived in a beautiful house where she planted beautiful flowers because, like Anne of Anne of Green Gables, she loved her flowers. Now, let's see what might be missing. I think we can add a little bit of washi just to kind of tie everything together. Found another flower. You can never have too many flowers. Alright. And of course, they lived happily ever after. Because that's my kind of story. Alright. We've got our person or people. We've got our business card. Anything related to the sea. A vegetable plant. And a map. And my bonus was also my relating to the sea. Now, where to put my number? See, I was going to use the fancy one, but I don't. It may fit there. Let me see. I'll use this Timber Brown. But I love a good love story. And one that endures through time. Anne of Green Gables is one of my favorite books. I love the whole series. And just like I mentioned earlier in the Harry Potters, I have to visit her so often. And that is my number 8. Well, I hope you enjoyed this collage. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Thank you, Margarete, for hosting this challenge. It is so much fun and I've learned so much. So until next time, bye y'all.